Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a delicious cookie recipe for you. It's kind of like a crumble inspired cookie. This is beer batter maple bacon cookies. First, you're going to want to preheat your oven to about 395 degrees, and you want to take your bacon and put it on a sheet pan, and if you want to, you can sprinkle some brown sugar on it. That's what I like to do to have candied bacon on these cookies, or you can just use regular bacon. And you're going to want to put that in the oven and cook it for about 9 minutes, and then flip it over and go for about 3 to 4 more minutes depending on how crispy you like your bacon. Next, while the bacon is cooking, you want to get started on your cookies, and you're going to cream your butter and sugar together. You don't really need to cream it fully, just at least combine until they're nicely combined. Then you're going to go ahead and add your egg and your vanilla extract or vanilla emulsion if you have it. And you're going to go ahead and mix that on about a medium to medium high speed, and it'll start to get really nice and light and fluffy looking. Then you're going to go ahead and add your heavy cream and your beer. Again, you can use whatever kind of beer is your favorite. I went with just a pale ale, but go ahead and pick something that has a more distinct flavor if that's what you're into, if you want to taste more of it. Next, you're going to want to add your flour, salt, cornstarch, baking soda, and baking powder. And you're just going to want to stir that until everything's just combined. You don't see any clumps of flour or anything like that. But you don't want to over mix your dough. I did a half batch here, so I'm just dividing my dough into 2 sections. So if you're doing a full batch, you can either do it into 2 larger sections or 4 sections. You're going to want to wrap that up in saran wrap and try to flatten it out a little bit. That'll help it cool. And you can refrigerate this for about 2 hours, or if you're in a real time crunch, you can pop it into the freezer for about 30 minutes. Once your dough has chilled, you're going to go ahead and take a large cookie or ice cream scoop. I think this one is about a 2.7 ounce cookie scoop. And you're going to want to go ahead and scoop that out onto your parchment paper. Then I took a solid spatula and just flattened them a little bit. If you like yours to have a little bit more of a rounded top, you don't have to do this, but to get that flatter top for the icing, this definitely helps. While your cookies are baking, you can go ahead and get started on your maple buttercream. You're going to go ahead and cream your butter and cream cheese together. Then you're going to go ahead and add your powdered sugar in together and get that started mixing. Then you're going to add your maple sugar, vanilla extract, and your maple syrup, and you're going to beat that on medium-high speed until it's nice and fluffy, probably about 3 to 5 minutes. If you want to pipe that onto your cookies, instead of spreading it on, you just pop that right into a piping bag so it's ready for when the cookies are done and cooled. Once your bacon is all out of the oven and cooled, you can crumble that up. And then once your cookies are cooled, you're going to want to go ahead and pipe or spread that on and crumble your candied bacon on top. Then all you have left to do is enjoy. So if you try these, let me know what you thought in the comments. If you like the video, make sure to smash the like button. And don't forget about subscribing and hit the notification bell so you never miss a recipe. And I do also have that thanks button that is greatly appreciated anytime you guys hit that and help support the channel. As always, live, love, eat sweets.